Today we're going to talk about this problem, 2020 AMC 10B problem 10. A 3/4 sector of a circle of radius 4 inches together with its interior can be rolled up to form a lateral surface area of a right circular cone by taping together along the two radii shown. What is the volume of the cone in cubic inches? So firstly, let's try to visualize this problem, since if you don't visualize it, it's kind of hard to imagine in your brain. So it says, by taping together along the two radii shown. These are the two radii. So if you tape this together, you'll form a cone. So let me just draw that cone. So it will be something like that, and there's a circle underneath. So we already know one side length, and we want to use that to the extent. So which side in this cone is going to be 4? Well, if you imagine it, like, you can actually cut out some paper, or rip it out if you're actually in the AMC 10, and you can try to tape it. You'll see that this side is the radii, or the radius of the circle. So this side is going to be 4. However, we want to figure out the volume of this cone. So the volume is 1/3 times the base. The base is just pi r squared, if we let the radius be r, and the height. So this is the right angle, and this side here is h. We know that now we can have the Pythagorean theorem. We know h squared plus r squared equals 4. So another piece of information we also know is that we know this whole circle here is actually a 3/4 sector of a circle. So basically this means that the circumference of the circle is 3/4 of 2 pi r. And r here is the radius of this large circle, so r is just 4. So if we cancel the 4's out, we have the circumference to be 6 pi. So what does this tell us though? Because it's the circumference of a 3/4 of a circle. So if you actually tape these two sides together, you get that 6 pi is actually the circumference of the small circle underneath. So the circumference is actually, 6 pi is actually this part. So this tells us about the radius, because we know that the circumference is 2 pi r. So basically we get r is 3. So r is 3. We can plug that into our Pythagorean theorem. We have h squared plus 3 squared equals 4 squared. So h is squared is 7, and h is root 7. So the volume is gonna be 1/3 times pi times 3 squared, which is 9, times the height, which is root 7. We cancel out the denominator, and we have the answer is 3 pi root 7. So that's the answer to this problem, and this is choice C. So we circle C. So this problem is mainly about visualizing the cone and also understanding which corresponding parts of the lengths in this big circle corresponds to the length in the cone. And then we have to also know that the volume of a cone is 1/3 times its base, which is a circle, so it's pi r squared times its height. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.